And as always, we're going to be looking for accurate context, good risk management, and always exercising good patience.
Anytime you're talking about fundamentals in a market and direction, fundamentals take a little bit of time to play out.
We got crude oil today, kind of trading yesterday's value area really nicely, low to high.
That's what we're here for, is to put ourselves in the best success. A trading routine does that, builds that habit, lets you know what to work on, what to reflect on, and what to improve on the next day.
Good afternoon, friends and traders, and welcome to the Market Recap. I am Dan Hodgman. It is October 5th. And man, yesterday kind of looked like the stock markets wanted to sell off, and maybe we were going to continue lower. NASDAQ may have seen that 10% correction territory. Not the case. Completely recover here today. Huge up move in the equity markets, and they're not the only ones up. Crude oil continues that grind higher. Crude oil, we're seeing really big moves in the overnight session, and then kind of gets a little bit quieter during the regular trading hours. So maybe that's something to think about. Maybe if you're a crude trader, you want to take advantage of the big moves. You start looking at things around the London Open, that 1 a.m. Central Time. Things start to get moving. We're seeing a couple of days now where that's where the big moves are coming into play. We are falling just shy of $80 a barrel over there. It's $79.50 here today. You've got the S&P 500 opens up this morning, makes a quick attempt to check prices lower, does not attract in any sellers, and I'm kind of surprised. We sat down last night. The Nikkei last night breaks the bottom. Hang Seng breaks the bottom. Neither of those can catch a bid, yet the equities, the U.S. equities, starts to press higher. As soon as it starts going higher, that market really took off. And we're just seeing a little bit of potential profit taking here at the end of the day. The same thing's going to apply for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ did not have as much of a look lower off the open. That one pretty much from the get-go was off to the races, completely recovering all of yesterday's losses. Let me know if we have some streaming issues here. I don't know. I think I got something going on with the internet at the house right now. It keeps telling me my connection's too slow for quality, so hopefully we can make sure everything's okay. So please let me know in the comments if you've got an issue. All right, NASDAQ, like we said, breaks off to the upside right off the open. Gold, on the other hand, gold was kind of a fun one here today. Off the gold open, that thing starts to press lower. Actually goes and checks yesterday's lows before finding a little bit of a bid and taking right back up to where we opened up. I'm going to kind of end the day unchanged from where we opened up this morning. Euro, on the other hand, very similar. Euro breaks down off the open, goes and checks a prior swing low, recovers just slightly, and begins to sell off here once again. And the 10-year note tries to break into yesterday's value area, rejects it pretty darn quickly, continues its trend lower over there. So you've got gold down, you've got treasuries down, you got euros down. Equities and crude oil, or equities and energies in general, are off to the upside. Speaking of energies, let's take a quick glance just to touch base on this natural gas, because gosh, that's just been a wild one. Natural gas here today up 9%. Be honest with you, I'm hoping for a break in that bad boy. I don't want to pay natural gas bills like that this winter, but I guess time will tell. All right, so what else do we have going on? Well, as you guys know, yesterday, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all owned by Facebook. Big shutdown, biggest broken offline since 2008. Now, I'm no conspiracy theorist. Between the two, we do have Facebook's whistleblower on talking to Congress here today. Speaking of our Facebook stock, let's just take a quick glance at that one, just so we have an idea. Yesterday, that one took a big hit yesterday, down like 7%. Not today. Today, because it's probably back up and working, is up 2% at $332 a share. Awesome. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at our charts here, see what we got going on. But first, mentioned this yesterday, totally forgot to touch on it. I have a note. We're going to talk about the importance of settles after we go through our charts. I'm not going to forget that this time. I'm breaking up. All right, I'm sorry. Okay, it says my stream seems to be okay right now. I must have something going on with the internet. Let me know. We're going to try and get through some of these charts. If it is unbearable, please let me know, and I'll get the internet company out here to get things working a little bit better for us. All right, so like I said, we're going to touch on settlement prices. Bill, good to see you. George, Michael, good to see you guys. I sound fine. Okay, it's good. Sweet. Keep me posted on that one. Let's go take a look at these charts here and see what we got going on. As always, we're starting with our crude oil. Crude oil opens up this morning. What are we looking for? We are looking for any bit of weakness in this market to buy. I don't think there's any discrepancy, any questioning that idea. I don't think there's any